Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the propeller blades on your DJI Mini 2 SE, and these instructions are the same for the DJI Mini 2 as well. So let's get started. Alright, so these are the new propellers that I've got, and if you notice there's an indication on this which says these are the propellers A and these are the propellers B, and A is diagonally in this way. We have the DJI marking over here, and so on our drone the DJI marking is here, and then A would be these propellers and B would be these propellers. Now inside this packaging I have 4 propellers and 4 screws, I believe. So they've given an extra screw. There are 3 screws in this, and similarly we have 2 propellers in this and 3 screws. So DJI recommends that when you're changing the propellers you should be changing the screws as well. I think it's because the treading on the drone or where this thing fits does not get loose. So it's recommended to change the screws as well. Now another question that you might have is, what if you don't have this packaging, and then how do you identify which one is the A propeller? So that's again very simple. For the A propellers you've got this little notch over here, and if you notice on the drone we've got a similar notch on this side as well. I'm not sure if it's visible in the video, and it's not there on the B propellers. So that's an indication to see which one is A and which one is B. Now I'm not going to change all of the 8 propellers. I'll just be changing the ones that are damaged because I don't have extra propellers. But in case if you have the entire set of 8, it's always recommended to change all of them. And over here you can see that this one is pretty badly damaged, and so is this one, so I'll be changing these. And to take these out you can place the drone on a flat surface, and we need to hold the motor over here, and with this screwdriver that you might have got with the drone you can start loosening the screw. So what I'm doing here is I'm holding this moving portion and then unscrewing the screw in an anti-clockwise way. So it's as simple as that. So you can see that this one is pretty badly damaged, and now let's get to the replacement part. So I'm going to keep these damaged propellers away and we can place these new ones. So I'll keep the screw in here and then we'll place it over here and tighten this up. So the screw should go in very easily. There should not be much of resistance. If you are feeling some kind of a resistance, then you probably have the screw in a wrong direction, or something is wrong with the screw itself. So make sure that there's no resistance at all. And now we'll do the same for this other one as well. So I'm going to place it here and start tightening it up. So there's no need to over tighten it. As long as you can you feel that it's tight enough, that's fine. And once it is done, you can check this angle on the side, and there should not be any space in between. And another thing that you should check is if the blades are moving freely. And now you can basically follow the same process for the other propellers, which is to hold this, unscrew it, and take the propellers out. So this time I'm changing the propellers B, and you can notice that these ones do not have any notches whatsoever. So here again you can notice that there's absolutely no gap between the propeller and this motor connector. So you just saw how easily we managed to replace both of these propellers in no time. And if you still have any questions about this process, you can leave them in the comments section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.